Hi, my name is Peter Rice, and I'm Product Evangelist for Adobe Connect. Today we're going to talk about using Adobe Connect for your marketing webinars. We'll look at how the rich customer experience and powerful feature set help you obtain and convert more leads with lower cost. We'll also see some examples of how one of our customers, MedPoint, is running more efficiently with Adobe Connect as their webinar solution. With any marketing webinar, accessibility is everything. You want your attendees to be able to easily log in, or they simply won't participate. Because Adobe Connect is based on Adobe Flash, which is already installed on virtually all internet-connected devices, attendees can instantly join your webinars with no additional downloads required. The experience is also consistent across operating systems and devices, so whether your attendees are on Mac or Windows, smartphone, tablet, or laptop, they'll all get the same familiar interface that everyone else sees. This also extends to important features that support the needs of visually and hearing impaired individuals. As the webinar host, you can customize the layout by moving the content pods around the meeting room. You can then save these layouts and quickly toggle back and forth between them. You can also easily change the look and feel of your webinar space. This completely tailors the visual look of the room to showcase your organization's brand identity.
MedPoint is a digital medical communications company. The biggest area of activity for us is supporting peer-to-peer education programs in medicine, where we connect an expert speaker with anywhere from 4 to 10 physicians around the country. By moving that kind of activity into virtual media, we can save 80% of the expense of conducting these peer education activities.
With Adobe Connect, the content you put in your webinar is persistent. This means that anytime after the event, all content and recordings are still available to viewers. Interactive components such as surveys, simulations, downloadable content, and links remain interactive. Participants can visit the experience when it's convenient for their schedule and review content at their own pace. The direct result of this flexibility is increased attendance for your webinar. The options you have for interactive content helps ensure that participants stay engaged. They can provide feedback through polls and surveys, contribute in open chats and Q&A, and interact with custom multi-user applications like this Twitter pod.
It looks like we have a mix of results here.
We can take advantage of numerous features that frankly aren't available at face-to-face meetings. We can essentially at no additional cost support audience polling. We can deliver richer media, animations, either complex or simple.
While a webinar can be complex to assemble and manage, Adobe Connect includes an events module that can help you organize your event. To start, you can easily create and host a branded registration page. Adobe Connect can then track where registered users came from, which gives you a clear idea about which email list and advertisement was the most effective. The module also handles all your invitations, reminders, and follow-up email. At the end, reports can be pulled on almost every aspect of the event, giving you transparency into what worked and what didn't. For your IT department, Adobe Connect really eases the burden for support and maintenance. Deployment is simple, and integration is provided for many existing applications, like Alaqua and Salesforce.com.
Connect Pro, from a support and deployment standpoint, is probably the simplest application that I've actually been able to use. I enjoy the fact that I'm not being woken up at midnight to address a server issue relating to the application. I enjoy my sleep, and Connect Pro is letting me have it.
Adobe Connect delivers a powerful and versatile platform for your marketing webinars. To learn more, contact your local representative or visit this link.